welcome back to the channel. Now today we are doing something from Kiwihome. Now this was sent to me and it is a waist fan, but it can be used in other ways, but I think the main purpose is going to be, for me anyway, a waist fan. In the box we get instructions. So you get a neck, like a lanyardy thing, so you can wear it around your neck if you wanted to. We get a cable, USB-A to USB-C, standard fare, and I think that is it apart from the unit itself. That's all you get. It's nicely packaged actually. It's all cardboard, so apart from the plastic bags obviously, but most of it is all cardboardian. And this is the unit itself, and it looks like a turbo kind of fan. First thing I will say is it's bigger than what I expected. I've never heard those words in my life. Never mind. Yeah, it is bigger than what I was kind of expecting. I've bought these before and I've had a couple that were going to make it on the channel, but they weren't very good, so they didn't. But they were considerably smaller than this. This is going to be quite noticeable under your t-shirt, on your waist. It's going to be noticeable. But the size of this has two major benefits. One, the airflow is meant to be pretty good. We'll find out about that. But two, battery life. Full blast, this will last about 8 hours. And at low settings, it will last about 40 hours. So you could go away for a weekend, charge this up before you go, and not have it on full. But if you're, say, you know, you might be going off exploring, or you might be going off walking the hills, whatever, walking through the forest, and it's a bit humid, it's a bit sticky, you could use this for the whole weekend that you're there. And it's also not just a waist fan. It has, as I say, it comes with the lanyard, so you can wear it around your neck, but it can be used as a desk fan because it's got a little stand. So you can have it flat, or you can have it on your desk in front of you, aiming at you, which is pretty cool. And I will say, that's a strong clip. That is really, really strong. And then you've got this other one. Now it blows that way, so what would that one be for? That one would obviously go on your waist and then it would blow up your back, which is what I'm going to use it for. Because, yeah, there's nothing worse than the sweat running down your back. You know, it's in the middle. It's always in the middle when it straight down your crack of your... But how do we turn it on? Okay, so what have we got here? I'm not sure if it's... I don't think it's waterproof, although they have kind of rubberized that. I will check, but I don't think it is. I'm not sure. Short press button to cycle through the wind speed. So it will do 1, 25, 50, 75 and 100. So there's 5 settings. To power off, please switch the power switch to off. It does have an actual power switch on the back. So it can't accidentally be turned on in a bag, or, you know, if you take this away in your luggage, whatever, you can't, and then you get there and it's dead. So, yeah, it has actually got a power switch. And it comes on. That's number one. This is where we get all scientific. So this is just number one. It will do that for 40 hours. That's impressive. Now, it's only got 30% battery. I've not had this out of the box. I've not charged it or anything. But yeah, 30% battery. Turn it up to 25. It gets considerably louder. Does it get considerably more powerful? Yeah. It does. That's pretty good, actually. That's a nice amount of air. So on 25, I think up your t-shirt, and I'm going to be taking this out. I'm going for a walk, so this will be coming with me. It's going to be hot the next week. I'm using this for work as well. Okay, so that's 50%. Considerably louder. But what about the power? That's a good amount of airflow. 75%. We're getting ready for takeoff. This is so scientific, right? We are now at 100%. As you can see, I'm moving it quite a way away, and it's still getting, when you get the angle right, that's pretty bloody good. On my back, I think that's going to be bloody lovely. And I don't think it needs to be on, I think 50% up the back. Excuse me, we're getting a bit personal. That's quite nice. You can certainly feel it all the way up my back. First impressions, it is big, but it's got to be for the battery capacity. Well, I'm going to get this plugged in. Also, I think when I go to Goodwood Festival Speed, if it's going to be hot, that could make my walking around so much more enjoyable. Because when it is really hot there, Goodwood Festival Speed is huge. It is a massive event. We're going for 2 days, and we've been there when it's not too hot, and we've been there when it's really hot. And when it's really hot, yeah, you're on your feet all day, a lot of walking. We ended up doing about 30,000 steps one day, not so many the next day. But yeah, that will hopefully help me stay a bit cooler. But we'll see. That does it for this bit. Yeah, I'm out delivering. Got about 120 parcels today. And I am wearing my little, well, you'll see it, the little fan. I've got the t-shirt tucked in. That's what the other clip's for. It's to tuck your t-shirt in so it doesn't get sucked into the intake. And I don't know where you'll see it. I'll block it off and then let it go. Block it off. You can see it's on 75% and it's doing quite well. You can certainly feel it. Now it's better on my back, but when I'm in and out of the van all the time, I can't have it on my back. So I thought I'd put it on my side and see if it works there. And it does. It works actually surprisingly well. Am I cold? No. Is it helping? Yeah. Alright guys. It is now 4:15. I've nearly finished. It's been a shit day. All I've done is sneeze. That's why my eyes are so crap. But this little thing, which is still going, has helped. It has actually, you can feel it. It's not blowing cold air, but it's blowing air. You're still feeling it. And I'll tell you what will help, and I should have thought of it, is I'm going to bring a spray bottle with me tomorrow. Because if your skin's damp and then the wind blows on it, it cools you down that much quicker. So I'm going to keep spraying myself, keep my t-shirt wet or moist, and then that will really help. But yeah, let's have a look at the battery. Yeah. Wow. I'll change camera briefly. See that? 64% battery, and I'm currently on, if I press it, it goes to the next one, 100. So I've been on 75%, so that's been on now for 5 hours at 75%, and it's used 36% battery, so just over a third. So yeah, I reckon it would actually last 8 hours on 100%, but it's fine on 75. This is a good little item. Yeah. Very good. Hi guys, I've used this little thing for a couple of days now while I'm working. And it's hot and humid in the UK at the moment. It's really uncomfortable. It's sticky. And this genuinely does help. Now, it's not going to make you feel cold. It's not going to sort of, you're never going to feel hot again sort of thing. No, it's not going to do that. All right? That's not what I'm trying to say. But it does make a genuine difference. And the fact that the battery on this lasts all day, that's a game changer. Because I've had some of these waste clip-on fans before. But you're lucky to get 2 hours out of it with a decent amount of airflow. This on 75%, it doesn't even get through 50% of the battery while I'm at work. So I believe it will genuinely do 100% power for 8 hours, like they say it will. It is a little bit bigger than some of them, but you need that for the battery capacity in this. That's why this one's a bit bigger. Also, being a bit bigger, you've got quite a nice size, kind of like turbo fan. So you do get a decent amount of airflow. Also, one thing I didn't mention in the earlier parts of the video, but hopefully it will be able to see. This has got 10% angle. Basically, you can rotate it. So you can have it aiming up slightly, you can have it aiming down, you can have it aiming to the left, to the right. So you can get, because what I found, when this was under my t-shirt, I actually preferred it aiming away from me, so actually aiming into my t-shirt, the material, and then it would travel all the way up, and you'd feel it travel all the way up. If you had it aiming at your skin, maybe because the skin around my middle bit is a little bit podgy, shall we say, it was kind of not travelling quite so far. But that is a great way of being able to get it exactly where you want it. Changing the angle of the dangle. It is a little bit more pricey compared to some of the clip-on ones. But as I say, you're paying for that battery capacity. You're paying for the extra, the power in the breeze. It's not like a household fan. It's not going to compete with that. But for one of these little clip-on fans, it provides a good amount of airflow. I don't know if the mic can hear that, the airflow. But yeah, it is actually, it's pretty impressive. I am, you know, some people say I'm easily impressed. Maybe I am, but this actually did genuinely impress me. So yeah, thank you very much to Kiwihome that sent me this product. Anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, I will say bye, guys.